In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping and delivery on Shopify, ensuring you get everything configured smoothly to meet your specific business needs. We're going to walk through the whole process, from defining your shipping zones to testing your setup. So, by the end, you should have a solid foundation in place. Let's first dive into accessing your shipping settings. Head over to your Shopify admin panel and navigate directly to Settings, then find Shipping and Delivery. This is your hub for all shipping configurations, so becoming familiar with it is a key first step. Now, setting up shipping zones is essential, as it defines the geographical areas you're going to ship to, such as domestic, Europe, or rest of the world. For a US-based store, for example, you might have a US zone, a Canada zone, and a Europe zone. Define these zones clearly by selecting the specific countries or regions they will encompass, and give each zone a meaningful name that you'll recognize at a glance. Once your zones are established, it's time to create shipping rates for each. You have a few options here. You can offer free shipping, which is a great incentive for orders above a particular price or weight. Alternatively, you might set a flat rate, which charges a fixed shipping price regardless of order particulars. There's also the weight-based rate, charging based on how heavy the package is. You can mix and match these by setting conditional pricing rules. For instance, in the US zone, you might decide on free shipping for orders over $50, a flat rate of $5 for orders under $50, and a more detailed weight-based rate for bulkier shipments. For some stores, creating shipping profiles might be beneficial. Shipping profiles allow you to group certain products under specific shipping rules. This means if you have items that are bulky or require special handling, you can assign them to a tailored profile without altering the rest of your product's settings. Simply associate the correct products with these profiles, and you're set. Equally important is managing your shipping locations. This involves listing wherever you ship from, like warehouses or physical stores, in Shopify. You need to specify which of these will handle your online order fulfillment. For those with multiple locations, Shopify offers multi-origin shipping, where it calculates shipping costs based on whichever location is nearest to your customer. Besides shipping, you might want to set up local delivery or pickup options. This involves configuring your local delivery areas either by radius or by specific zip codes. Additionally, offering an in-store pickup option can be a great local customer service asset. Finally, don't forget to test your setup. Run through the checkout process to make sure everything functions as it should. Keep a close eye on your shipping costs and adjust rates for the best balance between your expenses and customer convenience. And remember, offering competitive shipping rates or even free shipping can significantly enhance your conversion rates. Remember to get your shipping origin set correctly in your settings and choose appropriate carriers to align with your service needs. Plus, Shopify offers the convenience of printing shipping labels directly from your admin panel, making your ongoing logistics smoother. With these steps completed, you should be able to effectively manage your shipping and delivery strategy on Shopify.